What if the foods you eat every day are quietly stressing your liver? After 50, healthy food choices matter more than ever. The surprising part is that most of these foods are found in everyday kitchens and are often eaten without a second thought. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, quietly performing hundreds of essential tasks every single day. After the age of 50, your liver becomes more sensitive to years of lifestyle habits, making healthy choices more important than ever. The good news is that even small improvements to your daily diet can help support your liver and your overall health. Let's begin with one of the biggest hidden sources of added sugar in the modern diet. Sugary soft drinks are one of the largest sources of added sugar in the average American diet. Regularly drinking sugar-sweetened beverages may increase the risk of fatty liver when they consistently add excess calories over time. Many popular soft drinks contain far more added sugar than most people expect in just one serving. A healthier choice is water, sparkling water, or unsweetened tea. Small changes today can support your liver for years to come. Another food worth limiting after 50 is processed meat, including bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. These foods are often high in sodium and saturated fat, especially when eaten regularly over many years. Regularly choosing heavily processed foods may contribute to an overall dietary pattern that is less supportive of long-term liver and heart health. Instead, choose more fresh protein sources like grilled chicken, fish, beans, or lentils whenever possible. Making simple swaps like these can help support a healthier diet without giving up delicious meals. Next are deep-fried foods, a favorite comfort food for many people but one that's best enjoyed only occasionally. These meals are often high in calories and unhealthy fats, especially when eaten frequently over many years. Over time, regularly choosing fried foods may contribute to weight gain and other metabolic problems that can affect liver health. A healthier option is grilling, baking, or air frying your favorite meals with less added oil. Healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices more often, one meal at a time. Another everyday food to limit is ultra-processed snacks like chips, cheese puffs, and packaged crackers. These snacks are often high in added salt, unhealthy fats, and ingredients that offer very little nutritional value. Eating these foods too often can make it harder to maintain a balanced diet that supports long-term liver health. Instead, choose healthier snacks like fresh fruit, unsalted nuts, or plain yogurt whenever possible. Small snack choices made every day can have a lasting impact on your overall health over time. Many breakfast cereals that look healthy can actually contain surprising amounts of added sugar. Starting your day with too much added sugar may lead to energy spikes followed by energy crashes later. Choosing a breakfast with more fiber and protein can help you stay satisfied for longer. Simple breakfast swaps can support steady energy while becoming part of a healthier daily routine. Now let's move to another everyday food that many people enjoy without realizing how refined it really is. White bread and refined pastries are another everyday food that's worth limiting after the age of 50. Because they're low in fiber, they may leave you feeling hungry again much sooner after eating. Whole grain foods provide more fiber, helping support better digestion and longer-lasting satisfaction. A simple switch from refined grains to whole grains can make a meaningful difference over time. Next, we'll look at another common source of added sugar that many people enjoy every single day: Candy, cookies, cakes, and sugary desserts are another major source of added sugar in many daily diets. Regularly eating large amounts of added sugar may contribute to excess calorie intake and poor metabolic health over time. Enjoying sweets occasionally is perfectly fine, but making them an everyday habit is where problems can begin. Fresh fruit can satisfy your sweet tooth while also providing fiber, vitamins, and valuable nutrients. Now let's talk about a drink that deserves special attention because of its direct impact on liver health. Alcohol is another drink that deserves extra attention, especially as we get older and our bodies become less resilient. Your liver is responsible for breaking down alcohol, and frequent heavy drinking can place extra stress on this vital organ. Even if you choose to drink, keeping it moderate and discussing your health with your doctor is a wise approach. For many people, choosing alcohol-free alternatives can be a simple way to support long-term wellness. Next, let's look at another common habit that can quietly overload your daily calorie intake. Fast food meals are convenient, but eating them too often may not support healthy aging after 50. Many fast food meals combine large portions, refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and excess sodium in a single meal. Over time, frequently relying on these meals may make it harder to maintain a healthy weight and support good metabolic health. Whenever possible, choose grilled options, extra vegetables, and water instead of sugary drinks or oversized meals. Our final food is something many people drink every morning without realizing how much sugar it may contain. Our final everyday drink is sugary coffee. Many specialty coffee drinks contain much more added sugar than people realize. Drinking these beverages every day can quietly increase your daily sugar intake without you even noticing. A simple coffee with little or no added sugar can be a smarter everyday choice for many people. Remember, healthy eating isn't about being perfect. It's about making better choices more often. Small decisions repeated every day can make a meaningful difference to your health over the years. Which of these foods surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with someone who cares about staying healthy after 50. Subscribe for more simple, science-informed health tips designed to help you stay active and independent. Thank you for watching, and remember that every healthy choice you make today is an investment in your future. Here's to a healthier liver, a healthier future, and a healthier you. We'll see you in the next video.